In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Steam to Fivem account. By the end, you'll have Fivem recognizing your Steam account automatically, which is exactly how the platform is designed to work. We will keep this simple, clear, and reliable so you can jump into your servers without any hiccups. First, make sure your Steam client is open, fully updated, and that you are signed into the correct account. Fivem reads whichever Steam account is active on your PC at the time it launches. So this part matters. Open Steam like you normally do, and confirm you are on the right profile. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the display name and avatar, so you don't accidentally link the wrong one. It's also a good idea to ensure Steam isn't in offline mode, because Fivem may not detect an offline session. While you are here, check for any client updates and let them install. Updated clients tend to avoid recognition issues. And as a quick security reminder, never share your login details with anyone. Next, install or open Fivem. If you don't have it yet, download the Fivem launcher from the official website only. Avoid third-party sources to prevent corrupted files or security risks. Run the installer. Let it set up the necessary files and be patient if it needs to fetch updates the first time. If you already have Fivem installed, simply open it. The key detail is to launch Fivem after Steam is already running and you are signed in to the correct account. That sequencing helps Fivem immediately see the right Steam session. From here, the linking is automatic. Here is no manual form to fill out, no codes to copy, and no separate login inside Fivem for Steam. Fivem detects the active Steam account in the background and uses it for identification on servers that require Steam. If everything is set up properly, you won't need to click anything extra. If Fivem doesn't seem to recognize Steam, a quick reset usually fixes it. Close Fivem, confirm Steam is still open and signed in to the correct account. Then relaunch Fivem. You can also try fully exiting Steam and reopening it, making sure it's online before starting Fivem again. Rarely, a system restart helps clear lingering background processes. Keep both apps updated and running in their default modes for the smoothest experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.